How to add Roblox to home screen on PC. First, make sure Roblox is downloaded. If you haven't installed it, you can do it via the official website of Roblox. Once it is installed, click on the search bar that you can see at bottom. Type in Roblox. You can see the results over here. Find the option for Roblox Player or Roblox Studio. After that, click on this option, Open File Location. Now the file location will be opened. Right click on the Roblox. Find this option for Send to. Click on it. At third, you can see the option for desktop. Click on it. Now the shortcut has been created to the desktop. That means it has been added to the home screen. Like this, you'll be able to add Roblox to home screen on PC. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.